Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make iced tea powder at home. First, you'll want to brew a very strong batch of your favorite tea. For every 1 cup of water, use about 2 tablespoons of loose leaf tea or 2 tea bags. Let it steep for a good 5 to 10 minutes to get that deep, concentrated flavor. Then, make sure to strain out all the tea leaves completely, leaving you with a clear, dark liquid. Next, it's time to sweeten your tea. Add your favorite sweetener, like sugar or honey, to taste while the tea is still warm. Stir it well until everything is completely dissolved. Then, gently simmer the sweetened tea over low heat. You'll want to reduce the liquid by about 1/2, which really concentrates the flavor and prepares it for the next step. Now for the dehydration process. Carefully pour your concentrated tea onto a non-stick baking sheet, spreading it out as thinly and evenly as possible. This helps it dry faster. You can dehydrate it in an oven set to its lowest temperature, usually around 170 degrees Fahrenheit, or use a food dehydrator. It will take several hours until it's completely dry and brittle. Finally, once your tea concentrate is completely dry, it will be brittle and easy to break apart. Take these dried pieces and place them into a spice grinder or a high-speed blender. Grind them until you achieve a very fine, consistent powder. This homemade iced tea powder can then be stored in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, ready for your next refreshing drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.